Hey everybody, today I'm going to be showing you how super quick and easy it is to install SuperATV's 3-panel mirror on this Polaris RZR Turbo. The first thing that we're going to do is go ahead and remove the factory air dam from the machine if you have one equipped, just to make it that much easier to get this mirror installed. You just remove the 2 screws on both sides. Once you remove the hardware, just grab it, push it forward, and it'll come right off. We'll just set this aside for the time being, and we're gonna hop in the machine here. And we're gonna grab our bag that has our clamps in it and remove the nut off of the Allen-headed screw in here. Then it's gonna come with a piece of foam. What we're gonna do is take a piece of foam, and we're just going to run it all the way around the inside of this clamp. You just want to run it to about right here. And then you can cut it, or you can just take it and you can tear it off. Either way. And then we're going to put a piece right here as well. Just a nice little small piece of work fine. Just put it right there so it doesn't cover the threads. And we're going to take this, we're going to slide it right around the cage. Alright, so once you have your clamp onto your cage, you want to get a pair of channel locks, and you just want to kind of grab it from the sides and the front and just kind of bend this clamp to where it's going to be easier to get your bolt and nut through, just like that. We'll grab this portion of the clamp, we'll slide it into position, and we'll slide our screw up through. Just like that. And you'll have to kind of angle the screw to get it through the other side of the clamp. And then you'll want to grab your Allen wrench. And you want to take your nut and sit it right here into this cutout in the bracket. Once you have it in that cutout, go ahead and start threading on your Allen-headed screw. And once you have it started, you'll just want to stop. That way you can adjust it, move it around for wherever you're going to put your rear view mirror. So then we're going to do the same exact thing for this clamp. We're just going to get it started on there. Going to get our rubber seal or foam here. Just get it started. We'll take our cage clamp and make sure that the cutout side is the same side as the one that you just previously installed. So we'll just slide it in, and again, just kind of bend the bracket back to its original state. That way everything goes together a little bit easier. We'll get this side of our bracket. We'll slide it in there. Grab our bolt. Put it through. Then we'll grab our Allen wrench. We'll make sure that we get our nut good and started here. Next, we're going to grab this bracket out of the hardware kit, as well as an M8 bolt and M8 lock washer. And we're just going to take this bracket and install it just like this. The large flat portion going up against the clamp that we just installed. And we'll do the same exact thing for this opposite side clamp. Then we're going to grab our 3-panel mirror. We're going to line it up with our brackets. So we're going to grab 2 more lock washers and 2 of our 8mm Allen-headed screws. We'll put a lock washer on the Allen-headed screw here, and we're just going to thread the screw into the 3-panel mirror. You'll do that for both sides. We're not going to fully tighten them just yet. We're just going to get them ran up into place, and just like that. And then this is the point to where we're going to make sure that we have it adjusted where we like it before we fully tighten everything. So I have it set where I like it. I'm going to go ahead and lock these Allen-headed screws down. I'm going to go ahead and fully tighten them here. We're going to tighten these Allens up as well for our cage clamps. Now we just need to tighten up these 2 13mm bolts. Now that we have all our hardware fully tightened, we're going to go ahead and reinstall a factory air dam piece. And there you have it. That's how super quick and easy it is to install SuperATV's 3-panel mirror on this Polaris RZR Turbo. For more information on this 3-panel mirror or any of SuperATV's great products, feel free to give us a call at 855-743-3427 or check us out online at superatv.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.